tell you.
You tell me. I can't wait to get my hands on this food. Come on out, cuz.
Ray, cut it out. You're gonna make it mad.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha. He should be worried about making Ray mad up in here.
Calm.
No, I won't.
Down,
I won't.
Liv.
I'm done with the conversation now.
Sit back down.
I'm sat.
Humiliated, castrated, emasculated.
All right, I get the point.
I mean, I could see if it was a real nigga. If you lost your hoe to T.I., I'd be like, hey, that's T.I. But Usher, you better check that hoe, Mr.
So you'll come to me in a car?
Yes, like a date, because you're pretty and you're smart and you're ignoring me, so you're obviously my type.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Perfect.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm learning so much right now. I'm so bad at makeup. I'm so bad at makeup. No, I could never. No, I give you so much credit for like caring about this and like being good at this. Like, I could literally never. I hate wearing makeup. Like, I wear like mascara sometimes, but just like, I don't like lying to the world about like who I am. No, like, it's great that you love it, babe. It's great that you love it, but like you'd have to love it to like want to do this. Wait, so you do this like every single day? Like all these steps? Oh my god, that's crazy. Whoa. What is this? Contour? How do you even put that on? What is that? I've never heard of that in my life. What is it? Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, babe, you just like changed your whole face. You look like a different person. That's crazy. I give you so much credit. No, like, I could literally never. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I like can't stop staring at your face now. Whoa. Oh my god, is this blush? I didn't even know people wore blush.
Sorry, I was just kidding.
Okay.
No, you good.
I will always have you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Do you have my chips? You don't make chips? My restaurant, man.
Yeah, I quit.
Wait, what?
I quit.
What? Wow. Sir, you cannot forfeit the match. Scared.
Yes, I can.
Security, please put
Hey.
him back.
Back up, bro. Back up.
Eat on the floor. Eat with your fingers. Grow a beard. Live simple lives. Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother? We love.
You good? Are you gay? Mama, it's lip balm.
You want a beer? He's 4! I don't know, what am I supposed to do with him?
I'm gonna start it off slow. I'm gonna scope the scenery out. Watch out. Look, you don't know when I'm coming, dummy. Look, now you running around looking all dumb. Look, got you playing Ring of the Rosie.